Hi. Hi, I'm trying to do an intro. I'm just recording a little intro. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi there, my name is Megan. Today's video is a complete and full house tour. My husband and I are actually in the process of selling our home, and I figured it was the best time to do a house tour. Some of you have been asking me for this for the last couple years. I've never felt like my house was ready. I still don't feel like it's ready, and you'll see that it's not. But today is the best day to do that because we had our house photographed this morning so that it could be listed. It's the best right now that it's going to be while we live here. Like I said, there's still some things that I wish that I could have done. I don't feel like it's fully ready, but that's fine. You're gonna see that. So I'm not gonna fill you guys in on every little thing in every room. This is not gonna be a super chatty video. I'm simply gonna take you on a tour through my house. I will label each room. You'll see a little label there to tell you what room it is. And then if you look down in the description box, you'll find lots of links for each room to items. If you're curious about where I got something, you'll find that information there. And also in each room, if I did a project in that room, I'm gonna put a little card at the top and you'll see a link to that video that pertains to that project. So yeah, this is a 3-story house. It's 2,700 square feet. It is actually a condo. We don't live in a standalone home. It is a condo, and it's kind of built like a tower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start down on the first floor and at the front door, and I'll just take you all the way through, all the way up to the 3rd floor. Let's go. Hi, let's go.
Find
lots of content coming to you. If you've seen some of my recent videos and you follow me on Instagram, then you'll know that we are planning to downsize quite a bit and might even be moving into a tiny little apartment. So I'll have some renter-friendly content for you, and of course, definitely some projects, and I'll be sharing my pregnancy journey, all of that stuff. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.